You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to delete your YouTube account. First, understand that deleting your YouTube channel deletes all videos, comments, and playlists. Open a web browser and go to youtube.com. Sign into the Google account that owns the channel. Click your profile picture in the top right, then select your channel. Click Customize Channel. On the channel page, click YouTube Studio in the top right. In YouTube Studio, look at the left sidebar and click Settings. Then click on Channel in the Settings menu. Now click on Advanced Settings at the bottom. Scroll to the bottom of the page and find the option to remove YouTube content. Click on it. You will be asked to sign in again. You now have two options: hide my content temporarily or delete my content permanently. To delete, select I want to permanently delete my content. Read the warnings carefully. Check all the boxes to confirm. Finally, click Delete My Content. Your YouTube channel and all its data will be scheduled. For deletion, according to Google, it may take time to fully delete. You can cancel within a short period. This also deletes the channel but not your entire Google account. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.